What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Mojave 4S. Today I'm just running it because somebody asked me not too long ago, what happened to your Mojave? I don't know, some videos on it. And I'm like, well, I don't know. But today I'm just out here. I'm on a basher, running in some snow, so let's get into it. This thing is a beast. I haven't had this out in a while. Look at that suspension work. UFO. Man, I'm about to break it. Trying to back around in some snow real quick. Yeah, this is one of my favorites though. And that's one of the reasons why this thing is a tank. This thing is a pure tank. Now I don't want to keep testing that on this jump, and it's cold outside, so. Oh, she almost made it. Ah, monster. Whoa. Up, something wrong with the shock. These shocks keep compressing and then stay stuck. Don't really be nothing wrong with it, but there we go. I don't know why it does this. Yo, this thing is a monster. Peace. The thing about the weakness in this is the body, the back of the body. As you can see, let me see if I can get close. As you see, that car keep still. It's cracked up right there and right under there. And the body does stay stuck. But so many people fix that problem by now, still it's not really a problem anymore. But straight out the box, just look for those issues. Reinforce your body and you have no air control with this. I just had the Outcast over here, and that thing was jumping lovely. But all cars ain't made to jump. Almost. I don't really expect this to jump as good as the Outcast at all. It's a desert truck. Mild jump. Yeah, something like that. Mild jump. Ain't made for that 6 feet in the air and little boring jump like that. Perfect. Oh yeah. Fun factor. Handling is off the charts in this. It is really good. Arrma taking over the game. Look at that. Suspension compressed like this is crazy. Oh! And I did not see that bench down there. Okay, let's try that. Oh, yeah. This thing is a beast. Now, if you want to just go out and bash and ain't got to worry too much, bring out a 4S car. Those are really my #1 cars. Like, I want to bash. I don't want to have to worry about it being too powerful. I don't have to worry about it being too deep. I don't have to worry about it being not durable. Even the LVC. LVC, of course, always. Yo, but I love this high.